You guys are ready, and go ahead whenever you're ready.
So we're here with Johnny Lavoie, the most sought-after hairstylist in Hollywood.
Thank you, but I'm from New York. It's good to be sought after in Hollywood when you're in New York.
Well, all
means you have to travel
around
a
the globe,
Yeah.
hairstylist, and you are now with L'Oreal.
Yes.
Tell us what that's all about.
Well, I'm officially their new hair consulting expert, which is a dream. You know, it's the highlight of my career. It's something I've worked really hard for, and I'm so excited because L'Oreal has been a part of my career for the entire span of my career. It's always been a name that I've been, you know, familiar with. They've always had those go-to products when, you know, I was in a jam. It's always something L'Oreal that gets me out of it. So when I got offered the position, I jumped at the opportunity just to be affiliated with the brand, and it's such a luxe brand. And not only that, just to be associated with such amazing women like, you know, Beyonce and Frida Pinto and Penelope Cruz. It's like I'm in the same company as them. It's like, wow, how can I go wrong with that, right? So it's a huge, huge honor, and I'm really excited. I still pinch myself every morning, you know, that it finally came to, you know, came to be. So it's really great. Thank you.
Now you also have these how-to YouTube videos.
Yes.
And I saw quite a few of them, but there's one about the Amy Winehouse interview.
That was a favorite of a lot of people.
Was it?
Yeah, I mean, especially around Halloween, that one always gets a ton of hits.
But you're giving away, do you feel like you're giving away your secrets? How is that?
You know,
been?
I'm not giving away my secrets because I approach my philosophy is I can't do everything.
Right.
You know, and these videos are being, you know, seen around the world.
Right.
And I get emails every day from every possible corner of the earth you can think of, people thanking me, and that I'm able to share and help them. I mean, in real life, I would never be able to go to, you know, Croatia and show someone how to do their hair. And even in the salon, you know, I try to educate my clients on how to recreate the look because, you know, they want to look good the full 6 weeks. They don't want to look good just when they leave the salon. So I think, you know, knowledge is power, and holding it back. You know, I was taught, and, you know, just think about if no one shared anything, you know, where would the world be today? So I'm not giving secrets, I'm just sort of making the world a prettier place.
Right. Well, if you could give us some secrets, like the rat.
The rat.
I thought that was great for the Amy Winehouse. He puts, it's a ratted.
Yeah, I just, you know, you can buy rats, and that's another thing with my videos. I try to make them real life, and being a professional, I have a lot of access to gadgets and tools that the general public doesn't have access to. So when I'm doing these videos, I try to make it real life and make it relatable and show how you can recreate, you know, technique without, you know, having to go to a salon and pay top dollar, or, you know, searching it out in a beauty supply and getting rejected because you don't have a hairdressing license. So I take, you know, simple things that people can obtain anywhere and show them how they can make a version. So this rat I make is just taking synthetic hair that you can buy for 99 cents at, you know, Sally's Beauty Supply, or depending on where you live, if you're down south, you can probably get it at Walmart. You know, and just using a hairnet and creating this form to protect your hair from teasing, because a lot of people don't like to tease, and it's a great way to just build volume without destroying your hair.
Well, I truly appreciate that.
No problem.
I think all the viewers do as well. Just tell us, what are the trends this year for hairstyles?
Well, the trends this year, what you're going to be seeing a lot on the runways, what I've been seeing is a lot of really clean, slick hair. You know, we're going a little bit away from the texture flyaway frizz, you know, that unkept bedhead look, and getting a little more tailored and polished. Hair that's down is, you know, a little more sleek, and hair that's back is really tight back and shiny and glossy and slick with really strong parts. But versus, you know, in the past, most people would think they could achieve, the only way to achieve that look is using a gel. But now there's products like the L'Oreal smoothing cream that, you know, you can get a nice slick look, but it's still soft and touchable, and it's not going to give you that plastic hard look.
Okay, great. Okay, well,
Thank
you
you.
heard from our expert, Johnny Lavoie. Thank you so much
for coming
to
to the party.
Okay, good
Thank
luck to you.
Great, super.